Ashni. I have completed my electrical and electronics engineer and Welltech High Tech. Uh, Here I passed out through this year, and I really wanted to thank this my faculties and the principal who supported a lot. And and here I want to tell you the in shorter way that the shorter way that the faculties and the students are very helpful, and there are many opportunities to get placed. There are many opportunities to get placed, such like many uh, companies are coming over here, and then for example me, I got selected in the Jasubai International Company, one of the co-company. It is an international based company, and actually I wanted to thank all my faculties who supported a lot throughout my engineering life. I wanted to suggest all the students who are searching for engineering colleges, they can just go on to the website of Welltech and High Tech Engineer. Here you can find out many upcoming new research labs, and many apparatus are invented over here, and you can just go through the website of Welltech and High Tech, and that's all I want to tell about my college. Here I am Varshni. I want to tell about myself. First of all, I'll intro about myself. I completed my electrical and electronics engineer in West High Tech, and at most I completed all my engineering with well good percentage, and because of all my faculties have supported me, and today I collected my degree certificates, and this is the big day for me. And next of all, I want to tell about my thanks to my friends and also my faculty who all although we were although we were in different manner, they are also helped in many ways. And actually, I want to tell about the college. This is the place where you get the best degree, the best experience, and also the best placement over here. I got for example like me, I got placed over here in a called Jasubai International Company. This is one of the core company I got through it, and here many the placement almost all got placed in my all of my students got all of my friends got placed again. Here here the facilities are more useful, and the laboratories which are more upgrading day by day, and year by year there are more research labs over here, and not only in in a way they are very helpful in many kinds, like they provide us good support throughout all the year by giving good study materials for our engineering life, and we pass out through many colors, and 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 so
And I'm thankful.
yeah, I'm Roshni. I completed my electrical and electronics engineer in Well High Tech, and and I want to just tell you about my college. It's actually a great opportunity to be over here, and I completed my engineering with with bright colors. I really scored a good percentage, and also I got placed through this college. Uh, and also I got placed through this college in where this is for example, I have many of my friends who also got placed, and they are in different stream, and also me, I got into an core company that is called Jasubai International Company. It is an core company of mine. Then then I want to tell about the facilities over here. They are very useful to us, and There are many research labs. There are many research labs and laboratories which are upgrading day by day, and year by year the students were very between there are many competitions between the students, and I'm really thankful to my faculties and also my colleagues who supported me a lot. So at last, uh, I wanted to uh, thankful my great opportunity over here, and really I'm missing this. I'll be missing this college a lot, and finally I wanted to be. Finally, I had a great time over here, and being a part of this college, I'm very thankful to them. Thank you. Here I'm Varshni. I completed my electrical and electronics engineer in Havel High Tech. I just wanted to share about my college, how is it, and I really liked being over here. Um, I got into my I got into my core company. I placed into a core company called Money Market. Again, here I'm Varshni. I completed my electrical engineer in Havel High Tech. I really appreciate being over here, and also my parents are very happy to get this kind of college, and I really scored a good percentage overall, and I also got placed into my core company called as Jasuba International Company, and even my friends they also got into good companies which are different streams, and also they were happy and living their happy life, and really being in this college I love many people, and also known many types of culture over here, known many kind of people who are very friendly in nature, like for example my faculties who supported a lot, who supported a lot overall my engineering life. Here are many here, there are many facilities are there useful in many upgrades. Year by year, there is a good improvements in labs. There are many laboratories. For example, many apparatus are used in our labs. You can also see our website, Well High Tech, and go through it. You'll be having many things you'll be knowing about our Well High Tech, and there is also an opportunity of getting placed in many companies, and also you will be very grateful to this college. Being a part of this college, I'm really